On today's video, I will take you step by step on how you can moisturize your dry hair, from dry hair to super moisturizing hair. And also, this moisture routine can last for you very long period of time. If your hair is always dry, you do this moisture routine. So keep on watching. Let me take you step by step on how you can keep your hair super moisturized and super hydrated. So this is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like, so dry, so crunchy. How can you know when your hair needs moisture? Your hair will be super dry like this, and when you are rubbing your hand on your hair, you feel like your hair is breaking. You'll be hearing noise. That's when you know that your hair needs good moisture. Okay, at this moment I'm super tired. I don't know where to start from, but do not worry, I'm going to take you guys how to transform this dry hair to super moisturizing hair. So another thing, do not ever put comb on your dry hair. Don't ever try to comb your dry hair. It's going to break your hair a lot. Okay, if you want to retain length, do not do that. Okay, so let me take you guys step by step on things that we need to transform this dry hair to super moisturizing hair. So first thing we need is my hair packer, the crunchy that can use to section the hair, that can help us to section this hair. Okay, so this is my hair packer that can help me to section my hair. So next thing I need again is my tea spray. If you have plain water, please feel free to make use of it, and if you have tea spray, also can also make use of it. Next ingredient is my oil. Use any oil of your choice, any of your hair growth oil that your hair loves so much. Please make use of it. Next thing is my leave-in condition. I'm using Mega Growth leave-in condition. Also use any of your leave-in condition you have, and also I'll be making use of my hair growth butter, my Vaseline and cinnamon hair growth butter. So this is my white tooth comb. Please do not ever use tiny comb to comb your hair. Make sure you have white tooth comb. It's going to help you a lot. So this is my scissors, a peg of scissors that can help me in case if I see any knot on my hair. I will use that scissor to cut it out. So first thing that you need to do when you want to moisturize your dry hair, make sure that you section your hair. Do not ever moisturize your hair in a hole. When I in a hole the way it is now, without sectioning the hair and start applying ingredients on it, it doesn't done that way. Product cannot penetrate on your hair. You are not 100% sure that you have moisturized your hair. Please, whenever you're moisturizing your hair, try to section your hair. Okay, it will help you a lot. You will be sure that products have really penetrated all over your hair, and also it's going to help your hair to look so healthy and more moisturizing, because when your hair is dry, it's going to cause brittle and breakage. Okay, make sure you moisturize your hair. After censuring my hair in first session, this is how it looking like. So after the first session, I'll start working on the first session, and also I'll still part it again in a little session. Okay, try to work in a little session despite you session your hair in first session, but still work in a little session. This front session, I'll be sectioning it up to 3 to 4 session. Just keep on watching to see how I'm going to do it. So this is a little session I'll be working with. First thing to do is to apply my tea on my hair. Okay, like as I said earlier, if you have plain water, you can make use of it, but the best way to use your herbal tea spray. It really help you a lot. But if you're not the lover of herbal tea spray, if you're not the fan of herbal tea spray, please use plain water to do this in this step. Okay, this step, use plain water. Okay, so once you spray your tea spray or your water, make sure you work your hair through so that the product can penetrate very well. Water is the moisture. Can you see how my hair have turning back to life only applying it this herbal tea spray? Do you see? The first key of moisture is water. Don't ever joke with water. Don't ever joke both drinking in and out. Please don't ever joke with water. It helps a lot. Do you see the difference already? My hair have started coming back to life after spraying that tea spray. Next thing, I bring my butter. You can use any butter of your choice. This is my Vaseline and cinnamon pomade that I made. Okay, and is also on the channel, so feel free to check it out. I'll be leaving it up here or down below. Okay, so I take that little amount and use it to to rub my hair very well. I work it in very well. Make sure that this pomade really saturates on my hair very well. Another thing, make sure that you take special care of your ends, because the end of your hair is the oldest part of your hair. If you're not retaining length, maybe you're not really taking care of the ends of your hair. If the ends of your hair are weak, you can't retain length. Okay, so try to give the ends of your hair tender care. It will help you a lot in length retention. So next thing, I apply my leave-in condition, my mega growth leave-in condition. If you have any other store bottle leave-in condition, please make use of it. Okay, and also if you have any other hair butter, also make use of it. So next thing now is my oil, my homemade oil. Okay, I'm going to apply that on my scalp and also on the strands of my hair. Work it in very well. Please, whenever you're moisturizing your hair, make sure that every product you are using, you work it in very well. Work it in very well. It's going to help your hair to be got moisturized very well. Okay, after applying the oil, and also I'm going to definger detangle. Please, whenever you want to comb your hair, try to do finger detangle first. It's going to help you a lot before you start combing your hair. Finger detangle will help you to see where there is knot on your hair. Do not just grab comb and start combing your hair without doing finger detangle. If you really want length retention this 2025, if you really want to grow your hair and have more hair volume in this 2025, try to incorporate finger detangle before you can apply your comb or your hairbrush. And while combing your hair, please make sure that you start from the tip of your hair, work your way up to the up of your hair. I hope I'm making sense. And another thing, whenever you moisturize your hair, please do not leave your hair like that. Make sure you put it in a protective hairstyle. You can put it in a twins or braid. As you can see in this video, I put mine in a twins. Make sure that you follow this step. It's very, very important. It's going to help to lock in the moisture. Okay, don't moisturize your hair and leave it in a hole. Your hair will never retain moisture. Your hair will stay dry. So for you to retain moisture, for your hair to look more healthy, try to put it in protective hairstyle whenever you moisturize your hair. I hope I'm making sense. As you can see, I dust the ends of my hair. Okay, I feel like that ends of my hair is so tiny, so I just cut a little bit of it. Okay, so this is another thing I'm going to do. I still follow up the step, apply my tea spray. As you can see, I still cut out a little part of this thing. I did not moisturize my hair in a big section. I'm just taking it in a little section to make sure that this product really penetrates very well on my hair, and also to make sure that I really give myself a good moisturize. Guys, this moisture routine I'm showing you in this video, if you don't have, maybe if you don't have hair butter and you have leave-in condition, please feel free to make use of it. Or you have leave-in condition, you don't have hair butter, make use of it. Or you have hair butter, you don't have leave-in condition, make use of whether your leave-in condition or your hair butter. But if you have the both, it will help a lot to keep your hair very long time moisturized. Okay, if you have the both, feel free to make use of it. But if you have any one of them, please use the one that you have. Okay, so the other things, they are very necessary, because water is what to hydrate the hair. Water is the moisture, so it's very important that you hydrate your hair with water first before any other thing. It cannot skip this part. You cannot skip this part. Either use water or herbal tea spray. And also you cannot skip oil on your hair, because oil will help you to see in the moisture. Okay, so oil and the water is something that you cannot skip. Okay, and also the leave-in condition you can use, or you can use butter. And another thing, you can also skip not to use comb on your hair. I just use comb on my hair for the sake of this video. So if you're a lover of finger detangle, if you really know how to do finger detangle, you don't really You don't really need to use comb or use hairbrush on your hair. Finger detangle, you are good to go. Okay, I normally do finger detangle a lot on my hair. Finger detangle will help you for length retention. It will help your hair also to get more thicker, because too much of comb on your hair will always break. No matter how many times you comb your hair on a day, you definitely going to see some hair on your comb or some hair on your brush. Okay, so learn how to use tools less on your hair if you want to have thicker hair. Okay, it's going to help you a lot. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just doing the same thing. I take my hair, section it, and also apply my herbal tea. Guys, this herbal tea is very, very powerful. This herbal tea spray is not on the channel yet. I'm going to bring it up in the channel very soon. Okay, but I'll still have some powerful and potent herbal tea that you can also try on if you have not seen any of them. I'll be linking it up here or down below. Please feel free to check it out. Those tea spray that I have in the channel, they're so amazing. If you use any of them, if you try any of my tea spray, you're going to love them so much. You're going to have good benefits on using it on your hair. Okay,
I wanna hear about everything.
so the routine is repeating: spray the tea spray, apply my butter, my leave-in condition, my oil, finger detangle, and comb the hair. Lastly, put it in protective hairstyle. Okay, this step, if you follow this routine, this moisture routine, you will see a great change on your hair. Your hair will no longer be always drying. Okay, and also please make sure that you always sleep with satin bonnets. It also helps a lot for long-term moisturizing. If you really want to grow healthy hair, moisture is the key of that hair growth. Moisture is the key of length retention. If your hair is always drying, you do not care about your dry hair, you just start combing your hair, you always comb your dry hair without you moisturizing it, that means you're not ready for length retention, you're not ready for longer hair. Because when your hair is dry, you grab comb on your hair and start combing it, your hair is going to break a lot. It's not only your hair breaking, it also be very hard on you. That's why a lot of people say natural hair is so difficult to manage, natural hair is so hard to manage. One of the reasons why natural hair is so hard to manage, natural hair love moisture, natural hair love working in session. If you know the key of natural hair, you will see that natural hair is the best hair ever. Okay, because whenever you moisturize your hair, work in session, you will not feel any pain on your hair. You will feel so good while handling your hair. You will feel so good while moisturizing your hair. Do you see, after moisturizing this half of my hair, after moisturizing this part of my hair, this is how my hair is looking like. So juicy, so moisturizing, and so healthy. If I do not moisturize this hair in session, my hair will definitely going to be so hard for me to work on. As you can see, it's so easy for me to work it through because I'm working it in session. Session is the key. Try to learn how to work your hair in session. Whenever you don't have enough chance to comb your hair, or whenever you don't have enough chance to moisturize your hair, please don't do it. Give your hair some minutes, give your hair some hours, give that hair special care for that hair, and you go to love your hair. When you give your hair a special care, you definitely love your hair. Please. And one of those is moisture. Do you see how my hair is shining? Because of moisture. Okay, don't joke with moisture. When your hair is always moisturized, it's very hard, it's very difficult for your hair to be breaking excessively. Okay, please, if you have not given me thumbs up, please give me thumbs up. It really help the channel to grow. Do you see how my hair is? All my hair, I have moisturized all the entire of my hair. My hair is so juicy and so moisturized. So I'm going to give myself a gentle scalp massage. Also, try to always massage your scalp. If you really want thick hair, if you really want to have thick hair, do not joke with scalp massage. And also, after moisturizing your hair, make sure that you pack your hair away. Make sure that you stock your hair away. It's going to help that moisture to last very well. It's going to help your hair to last moisture. How long can you do this? How many times can you moisturize your hair? You can moisturize your hair once in a week. You can moisturize your hair twice in a week. If you really care for your hair, if you really maintain your hair, you can moisturize it with this moisture routine. You only need to moisturize your hair once in a week. But if you not really moisturize your hair very well or take care of it after moisturizing it, I would advise you to moisturize your hair twice in a week, okay, so that your hair is not good to lack moisture, okay, so that you can retain some length and have healthy hair growth. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please let me know in comment section below. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and join this beautiful family. Like this video, is going to help the growth of the channel and it help YouTube to put the video to more audience. And lastly, share this video to your family and friends. This video will help a lot of people out there that are looking for a good moisture routine that will help them to grow their hair, okay. And also, let me know what you think in comment section below. I hope you find this video very helpful. So this will be ending today's video. Like always, is your baby girl Glory. See you guys on my next video. I love you so much, but God loves you more. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.
I know if I need